Did you know stress can make you look older? It's true. While we often associate aging with the passage of time, our lifestyle choices, especially how we manage stress, play a significant role. When we're chronically stressed, our bodies release hormones like cortisol, which can wreak havoc on our skin and overall appearance. Think of your body as a beautifully maintained car. Regular wear and tear is expected, but constant stress is like driving with the emergency brake on. It causes unnecessary strain and accelerates the aging process. The good news is that, just like you can release the emergency brake, you can learn to manage stress and mitigate its effects on your appearance. It's time to take control of your well-being and explore the fascinating connection between stress and aging. By understanding how stress impacts your body and appearance, you can make informed choices to live a healthier, more vibrant life. Stress takes a toll on your largest organ, your skin. Elevated cortisol levels, the hallmark of stress, break down collagen and elastin, the proteins responsible for skin's firmness and elasticity. This leads to wrinkles, sagging, and a loss of youthful plumpness. Chronic stress can also exacerbate skin conditions like acne, eczema, and psoriasis. It disrupts the skin's natural barrier, making it more susceptible to inflammation, dryness, and sensitivity. Have you ever noticed breakouts during times of high stress? That's your body signaling that it's overwhelmed. But it's not just wrinkles and blemishes. Stress can impact your complexion. It can lead to dark circles under the eyes, dullness, and uneven skin tone. The constant strain shows on your face, making you appear tired and older than your years. Our bodies are complex systems, and stress triggers a cascade of reactions that contribute to aging. One of the key players is cortisol, often dubbed the stress hormone. When we experience stress, our adrenal glands release cortisol, which in short bursts helps us cope with challenges. However, when stress becomes chronic, cortisol remains elevated, leading to collagen degradation, inflammation, and oxidative stress, a process that damages cells and contributes to aging. Imagine free radicals as tiny troublemakers that damage our cells, accelerating the aging process. Another culprit is inflammation. Chronic stress keeps the body in a constant state of low-grade inflammation, which further damages collagen and elastin, leading to premature aging. It's like having a tiny fire smoldering within, slowly but surely impacting your overall health and appearance. Section 4. Combating stress for a more youthful appearance. Fortunately, you can take charge of your well-being and combat stress-induced aging. Lifestyle modifications can have a profound impact on your stress levels and, consequently, your appearance. Prioritizing stress-reducing activities like yoga, meditation, or spending time in nature can lower cortisol levels and promote relaxation. Adequate sleep is crucial for cell regeneration and repair. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night to allow your body to rejuvenate and combat the effects of stress. Remember, sleep is not a luxury. It's a necessity for optimal health and a youthful appearance. Nourishing your body with a balanced diet rich in antioxidants can help fight oxidative stress and protect your skin from damage. Incorporate colorful fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats into your meals to provide your body with the nutrients it needs to thrive. Section 5. Embrace the journey. Stress less, live more, look younger. Remember, managing stress is a journey, not a destination. There will be days when stress creeps in, but having healthy coping mechanisms allows you to navigate these challenges with grace and resilience. By making conscious choices to prioritize your well-being, you're not just investing in your appearance, but in your overall health and longevity. Embrace stress-reducing practices, nourish your body, and remember to be kind to yourself. The key is to find joy in the everyday moments and cultivate a positive mindset. When you feel good on the inside, it radiates outward, reflecting a more youthful, vibrant you. So take a deep breath, embrace the journey, and unlock the secrets to aging gracefully from within.